Nothing about this looked suspicious. And that's the problem. A black truck pulls into the site. 3 men step out. They don't rush. They don't hide. They go straight to the lumber, carrying it across the road, loading it into the truck. Calm, controlled, like they've done this before. Then they move deeper into the site, house to house, pulling more material. That's when it stops looking normal. And that's when advanced industrial monitoring stepped in. Our monitoring team flagged the activity instantly and contacted police. Within minutes, lights hit the site. And then everything changed. Lights hit, doors slammed, officers moved in. And they were caught, right there, mid-theft. Hands behind their backs, cuffed. Officers escorted off the site. Just like that, it was over.
We hate thieves as much as you do, and we love putting them in jail. Because your job site is our responsibility.